Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how to use Dropbox Fax. So, without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to go to sign.dropbox.com, and then from here, we're going to make a Dropbox Fax account. So, we're going to click on start our 30-day free trial, and then we're going to choose a plan, either essential for individual, standard for a small team, or premium for a large team. In here, we're going to sign up with an email, first name and last name, or even use our Google account to create an account. Choose your Gmail and then click on continue. On the next window, Dropbox will ask you to put a first name and surname for your account. Once you're done, click on agree and sign up. And then for the last step, it will also ask you to enter payment details like your card number, expiry date, and security code. And once you're finished here, you can set up your account. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!